also give you the Meir's chart, both of them, but instead of going through the whole thing, as we were doing last week, I thought this might simplify things for you. I mean, believe it or not, simplify, but... Okay, you're going to have to share, because I don't have enough. Just share. I didn't make enough. Okay.
One thing we'll share.
So yeah. I need one. And then I'll give you the second one. I made a little correction. There was just a misprint which I noticed, which can't be true in Sod Haibbur. So you'll notice that I corrected it. So you just share with him, and you'll share with Mark. Okay. So, I might as well just get this out in the meantime. And this is another bunch of charts and booklets. This one everyone can have. This one keep for you. This is valuable. The day I made this, my secretary was sick. So what takes her about probably 5 minutes took me in front of the copy machine about an hour to make this just a copy and paste things and whatever, and with also a lot of expletives. But I tried my best. Okay. All right. So first we'll start with the parshiyot. The second, there'll be 2 parts today. The booklet will be what we'll focus on, the second part. And by the way, if somebody can actually get me a new tour, the new one, the Mechon Yushalayim tour, which is Hilchot Rosh Chodesh, which should be Taf Kaf Het. That's the siman I need. Taf Kaf Het. All right. The Orach Hayim Taf Kaf Het. Okay. So the first thing I want to talk about, and there are reasons for all the rules I'm presenting you, and a good discussion really is in the Bushwick book. He goes through 4 or 5 pages explaining why each parasha would be mechubad and why not. But the first thing I wanted you to have is just the rules, and so I made you a little chart today. I have nothing else to do, right? So I made you a chart, and the chart has the parasha, Chutz la'aretz and a pshuta and me'uberet, and Eretz Yisrael and a pshuta and me'uberet. So, on Vayakel Pikudeh, in a shana pshuta, okay, let's start. Vayakel Pikudeh and Chutz la'aretz, on a shana, in Vayakel Pikudeh is the same as in Eretz Yisrael and Chutz la'aretz, okay? There's no difference, okay? And that is that they are, in fact, the first 3 are all the same in Eretz Yisrael and Chutz la'aretz.
Early in the year.
And really, even the 4th, which has a minor difference, the first 4 parshiyot all precede the month of Adar. And that's important because they will, that, you know, is that they precede the month of Adar, because by then we'll know, I'm sorry, not precede, what I'm saying, follow Adar. Because by then, right, they begin in Adar. By then we'll know if the Shana is going to be Me'uberet or not, even when we don't have a calendar. So, Vayakel Pikudeh, what we do is, in a Shana Pshuta, they're always Mechubarot. In a Shana Me'uberet, they're always Nifradot. There's one exception, that in a Shana Pshuta, when the year is a Hasa, then they are Nifredet. Okay? Then they are.
That means when Rosh Hashanah is Hasa?
Years Hey Rosh Hashanah, Shlema, Aleph, Pesach. Right?
Oh, okay.
Okay, when it's a Hasa Pshuta, then they are Nifredet. Tazriya Metzora, on a Pshuta, Ben B'chol Saras, Ben B'Yisrael, they're always Mechubarot, and on a Me'uberet, they're always Nifradot. Same rule with Aharimot Kedoshim. Behar Behukotai is almost the same rule. In Chutz La'aretz it's Mehubbarot and Pshuta, Nifradot and Me'uberet. But in Eretz Israel, right, they are, even though they're Pshuta, they're generally Mehubbarot and always in a Me'ubbarot and Nifradot. They, on a Hachaz year, they're Nifredet. Okay? Now, Hokot Balak, right? Hokat Balak, why did I say Hokot? Hokat Balak, right? They are always Nifradot, no matter what. The only time we're Mehaberet is in Chutz La'aretz when Pesach is on a Thursday. Okay? Pesach's on a Thursday. We are Mehaber Hokat Balak. Matot Mas'eh.
Only in Chutz La'aretz.
Right, only in Chutz La'aretz. Matot Mas'eh is always Mehabar. The exceptions are in a Shana Me'uberet in Chutz La'aretz when Rosh Hashanah is on a Thursday, and in Eretz Israel also when Rosh Hashanah is on a Thursday, and in a Bashas Gachaz Me'uberet year. Nisavim Vayelech really doesn't depend on Pshuta Me'uberet, Chutz La'aretz Israel. Depends on one thing. If the upcoming Rosh Hashanah is going to be a Monday or a Tuesday, then and also in the upcoming Rosh Hashanah is going to be a Monday or a Tuesday, they're nifredet. If the upcoming Rosh Hashanah is going to be on a Thursday or Shabbat, they're mechubarot. Okay? All right.
So can I say you gonna say the remez for that one?
We gave you the remez list week, no?
For Nisavim Vayelech?
Oh, you got the remez?
Bag HaMelech Pat Vayelech.
Right, so there's another one I have, which is Im Bigapo Yavo, right? What's Im Bigapo, right? Bet Gimal, right? In a Pshuta, right? Then Vayelech, right? Im Bigapo, right? Bet Gimal Pshuta, then Vayelech. Vayelech is with Mitzavim. That's the I had. What was yours? What's your name is?
Bag HaMelech, Bet Gimel Rosh Hashanah, Bag HaMelech, Pat Vayelech. Tafrid it say.
Right.
Or Patot Oto Petim, Pat Vayelech. I think it's in Maran.
What?
I think it's in Maran.
Oh yeah? I didn't see it. Okay.
Bag in Tafchaf Zayin, I think. That one.
Okay. I like it.
I'm not following how Chutz La'aretz catches up to Eretz Yisrael at the end of the year on the holidays that start on, let's say, Friday. Because a Friday holiday, that would make two Shabbatot that we would...
Friday holiday which?
Like, for example, Sukkot was on Friday.
What? Sukkot can be on Friday.
Oh, okay. But sometimes, for example, Pesach is
I'm going to make it
on
for
Shabbat, though.
Okay.
And 7 days later in
No, I
Israel.
was watching
So
it. I
then
was
before
paying
Shabbat.
attention.
So which one do you want? Which one do you want now?
Pesach, Shabbat.
So that's...
We're going to be missing two Shabbatot.
Okay, so they're simple. That's a hachaz. Pesach Shabbat is a hachaz. It's right in front of you. Look at Bahar B'Hokotai. On a hachaz, Bahar B'Hokotai is nifredet.
Oh, so they're going to come to the ground.
That's when Pesach is Shabbat. It's all here. In the second sheet, by the way, it's done a little differently. I did it here. This is easy reference. To see a little bit more, in the second sheet is a sikum. He goes through, instead of the pirashah, the year. So he goes through, Rabbi Meir does it this way, he goes through all 14 years. So in a basha and a gacha, he says, B'chutz La'aretz kol ha'parshiyot mehubbarot, u'be'eretz Yisrael they're all mehubarot except Chokat Balak. In Eretz Israel, there is no such thing as being mehabed Chokat Balak.
In Eretz Israel?
Yeah. But Chokat Balak is never, ever mehubar. Ever. If you look on your first sheet, you'll see.
Yeah.
It's the only one that's never mehubar. Okay? Bahag Zashag. כל הפרשיות מחוברות חוץ מחוקת בלק בין בארץ ישראל בין בחוץ לארץ. Okay? In a Hashayir, you'll see, ויקל פקודי חוקת בלק ניצבים וילך נפרדות והשאר מחוברות. החז חוקת בלק ניצבים וילך נפרדות, and you'll see in your thing, in החז ובארץ ישראל מפרידים גם בחר בחוקותיין החז, so that we can catch up to them. והשאר מחוברות. In a zaha, חוקת בלק ניצבים וילך או נפרדות, right? והשאר